DMK re-invoking the Setu Samudram project discourse after nearly 12 years, and they're doing so in the context of the India-China face-off. They're talking about, in fact, DMK MP TR Balu has written to the Prime Minister saying that Sri Lanka has moved closer to China in recent times, and several infrastructure in fact seems to be in the grips of China in Sri Lanka. He's arguing that Sri Lanka could very soon go the Nepal way, and therefore it is important from India's strategic point of view to bolster its infrastructure, and he is asking the centre to consider to initiate the Setu Samudram project, for which the feasibility report has already been approved by the NDA government when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. My colleague Sanjeevi is tracking more details on this. Sanjeevi? Alright, we'll go across to Sanjeevi in just a bit, but what Mr. TR Balu has also said is that it's the need of the hour not only for the economic benefits but also from the strategic and security point of view. So concerns being raised on the way Sri Lanka is going in recent times, could it go the Nepal way? That's the concern being raised by DMK MP. Let's go across to my colleague Sanjeevi also. Sanjeevi, what more can you tell us about what the DMK MP is proposing?
Well, the DMK MP TR Balu has written a letter to Prime Minister stating that the Setu Samudram project should be initiated because of not only economic benefits but also for the benefits of strategic and diplomatic need, which is the need of the hour. So remember what happened. This is always a controversial topic because it has also religious beliefs that the Adams Bridge, which was constructed during the time of Ramayana, was constructed from India to Sri Lanka during that time, which was in fact reminded as one of the most of the important sentiment of majority in the country, and that is why the project was in fact dropped after that controversy. But now DMK MP Balu has written to Prime Minister stating that the China has invested billions of dollars in Sri Lanka for the infrastructure development, port development, and probably they're also diplomatically very getting closer to Sri Lanka at this point of time, and probably Sri Lanka could also turn into another Nepal, and that is why it's very important at this point of time to initiate this Setu Samudram project, which is strategically and diplomatically important, keeping the security and also strategy in the in the mind at this point of time, and not only on the economic side.
Alright, we'll continue to track more reactions on this. DMK invoking the Setu Samudram project after 12 years. It has met with resistance in the past, but DMK is suggesting that it could be of strategic importance. Now remember, this is a shipping canal project that could provide an easier shipping route between and trade route between India and Sri Lanka, but it has been opposed in the past. We'll get you more and continue to track more. Sanjeevi, thanks a lot for joining us for the meantime.